Does your knee make a clicking or popping sound when you squat or bend it? In many cases, this sound happens when tiny air bubbles inside the joint fluid burst or when tendons slightly move over the bones around the knee. If the sound happens without pain, swelling, or instability, it is usually harmless and there is no need to worry. However, if the clicking sound is accompanied by pain, swelling, or your knee feels like it gets stuck or locked, it could indicate a problem such as a meniscus injury or cartilage damage. So if your knee clicks but there is no pain, don't be scared. But if it happens frequently with pain or other symptoms, it is better to get your knee checked by a professional